Fitch Ratings has affirmed Jamaica's long-term foreign currency issuer default rating at BB and revised its outlook to stable from positive. The outlook revision reflects significant damage from the hurricane, which Fitch expects will lead to economic contraction and require substantial reconstruction costs. Fitch forecasts Jamaica's economy will contract by 1.5% in 2025 before showing modest recovery of 1.8% in 2026. Tourism receipts could decline by 15% year over year in both 2025 and 2026, with potential for steeper drops in large hotels if large hotels remain closed beyond February 2026. The rating affirmation considers mitigating factors including insurance and contingency funds, nearly $250 million combined, multilateral credit lines, nearly $384 million, and expected private insurance flows estimated between $1 to $2.5 billion.